Ohana. We're here. We are in Epcot.
You wish upon a star, make no difference who you are. Anything your heart desires will come to you. If your heart is in your dream, no regrets is too extreme. When you wish upon a star, I'll dream.
So guys, we are now in the bus. And I just wanted to show you that they're also taking precautions on the buses as well. So right now we were assigned group 3, and then you see there's dividers. So we're not close.
Social distancing from
Yeah.
this table over here.
And so it's by groups, and then the same goes right here. Everyone is divided. So let's say maybe you have a group of like 5 or more people, you're going to be separated, but I mean, that's okay. You might be in front of each other, but even us, like, you wouldn't have anyone in front of you. They're really taking social distance to the top. Yes! We're heading to Epcot. Hey guys, so right now we are walking
To have some refreshments
towards the best part of Epcot, at least for us.
for us.
So as a DVC member, you get a lounge. One of them is at Epcot, which is the one that we're about to visit right now.
Yes.
So we get snacks, complimentary. We get drinks.
Coke.
Yes, Coke.
With ice
Yes, in a cup.
in a cup. Exactly. You
You
can
also
also get
get
coffee, water,
you also get to charge your phone.
computers,
AC, chairs.
games, video games,
Yes, it has like PlayStations. It has computers.
and they have cartoons running all over.
Yes,
So who doesn't want to be here?
exactly. So we're getting there, and we're gonna show you what it looks like in case you have never been here.
Yeah.
Welcome home. This way, we're going to bring you over to Kadani. The lady's been up here before.
So guys, we are in the DVC lounge. Right behind me, you can see the Coke station, so you can just get up and grab whatever you want. There's also coffee. They also sometimes have coffee, and then they walk around with the snacks. So yes, this is what it looks like. Look at this view. We had an amazing time with cast
Yes.
members. We talked to basically all of them that were working there, and we just wanted to thank them and appreciate what they're doing, the effort that they're making for this to happen, for us to be able to be here. So yeah, it was really, really, really nice. We met amazing people,
Yes.
and it's nice to have that one-on-one conversation with someone that you appreciate, I guess.
Yes, it's very appreciative that they're putting everything and all the effort to keep the magic going on.
The Epcot experience, come see the future. I've never seen that sign before. This been so crowded. I mean, it's the whole idea of Epcot in one sentence. elevator to China. It's extremely hot. It's extremely hot.
I can
It's
feel
extremely
the
hot.
sun burning my arms.
Yeah, one of the things that Epcot doesn't have is shades. There's not enough shade for people to just like, you know, take a break. But yeah, I feel like you can fry an egg on my arm. The lines are kind of, since the lines usually at Epcot are not too big on the inside, the lines are actually coming in the outside of the attraction. And just the thought of having to do the line out here in the sun,
No.
it's a no-go for us. So I don't think I don't think we will be bringing to you any rides or attractions. Click OK, we find something to do.
And the Beauty and the Beast sing along. So we just get out of the Beauty and the Beast sing along at the Friends Pavilion, and we find some ice cream. The sun is killing us. I've been craving ice cream. Here it is. Or something with, it says handcrafted from scratch, 16 flavors. Laudy find her first apron. So she is the one that makes a ratatouille.
We were discussing the other day at home that everyone has their own apron except me. Like my dad has his barbecue apron, my mom has her apron, Laura has her Mickey apron.
Yes.
And I don't have one. But I was the first one to make
a ratatouille dish. The actual ratatouille.
¿Cómo se dice? Michelin.
Estrella Michelin.
Yeah,
Michelin.
I named it.
Michelin star. I don't know. I have no idea.
Okay, a plate that has Michelin stars. And it's also in a Disney movie. And it's the ratatouille. I made it. And I got the same criticism that Remy did.
Yes, let me tell you, it's Laudy has impressed me with a lot of things like Backstreet Boys tickets, amazing birthday gifts, and driving around and giving me some details. But ratatouille and the way that she cooked it, I was like ego all the way. I just dropped my spoon when I was tasting it because it was so good. It was very impressive, and that's why Laudy deserves the best. Not because she's my sister, but she also is amazing cook, and that shows me that Ratatouille Pixar says anyone can cook. And it was amazing. So we're in the Friends Pavilion, and who's here? Remy. The new Ratatouille ride, it was supposed to be opening in summer 2020, but of course after all this, and I think it's gonna be the entrance right here. The gondolas are going on, but Ratatouille is actually my favorite Pixar movie, and I can't wait for this ride to come in, especially the Friends Pavilion, which is my favorite one also here at Epcot. So we're sitting down at Les Chefs de France, one of our favorite restaurants here. Yes, very good experience. Unfortunately, it's closed. But we're having
Most of our birthdays have been celebrated here.
That's true. Having a strawberry sorbet. Laudy.
The vanilla ice cream.
Vanilla ice cream.
Ice.
Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding.
Ooh, be good. I wanna be like you. Oh, I wanna walk like you and talk like you too. Oh, you see, an ape like me. Oh, can learn to be